Komiti mar somo e riwruog Gavanas okwayo migawo mar somo mondo chung chenro manyien mar dwaro ni chulo omenda mag skul kata school fees kokalo e mbui mar eCitizen. Jakom komitino Dr. Eric Mutai onyiso jatend migawo mar somo Ezekiel Mashogu mondo ne ni chenro no chungi nyaka keto kenge maler e wi kaka owinjore otime. Owacho ni ok owinjore chik no chakre sani seche ma chenro mar tam mar achiel bende nosechakore.
I've reported to school, learning is ongoing, and then when we are half the term or somewhere in the term, we wake up in the morning and tell people that you are supposed to do payment eCitizen. In as much as it's a good idea, but we ask the ministry to be a bit more organized so that they are not reactive and be able to provide information early enough so that our people will not be in doubt as to whether is there a fraud or is there something that is sinister behind it. What the Presidential Working Party report did was to mutilate the constitution of this country. They gave out proposals that ECD function should be taken by the national government and be paid by the national government, when they forgot that the national government has never invested even a single penny to our ECD facilities.